Hi everyone, welcome back to Salmon and Cod Playtime. I'm so glad you guys came to play with me today. Alright, today we've got our ruler here, and it's 1 inch, and it's all blank. There's no numbers on it today, so this is what we're going to play with real quick, okay? Alright, in the last video, we talked about how a ruler is broken up and how the pieces in this 1 inch are all broken up, okay? Remember, this 1 inch is really only this big in real life. It's only that big, but I made it really big so you could see it, okay? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to break this up into 2 pieces, okay? Remember the big line right here marks the halfway point. Remember that? Because you've got part 1 and part 2. So we're going to mark that down here on the bottom. We're going to do part 1 and part 2. And that's going to look just like that. You can see it. We've got part 1 and we've got part 2. Okay? Now, that's if we broke it up into 2 pieces. Now let's break this into 4 pieces. Let me get a different color here so you can see it a little better. Let's use this green. Let's use this green right here. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I did that just like that because these lines are just a little bit longer right here. Right there. Sorry. I'm trying to do this upside down. It is not quite working for me. These lines are where the 1/4 markers are going to be on this. So this is going to show your first fourth, your second fourth, which is the same line as the 1/2. Okay? Then you've got your third fourth. Then you've got your 4 fourths. Okay? Your 4 fourths right there. So let's mark these real quick just so you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you can see that. Okay? That's where the first, or down here is going to be where the first one is, second, third, fourth. Okay? Those are your parts. Now, let's mark it in the eighths. I'm going to use orange for this, I think. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to mark it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, you can see how this ruler was divided up into 8 parts, okay? So down here, we've got the first part, which goes from here to this third biggest line. That's part number 1, 2. Now notice on the 2, it's reusing the lines. We're reusing the lines that we had before because all these measure up, okay? They're perfectly measured up. So then that's going to be the third part, the fourth part, the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. So if we broke this ruler up into 8 parts, that's how we can break it up into 8 parts. Okay? So we've broken it up into 2 parts. We have broken it up into 4 parts. Then we broke it into 8 parts. Now let's break it into the 16 parts. Okay? And what color should we use for that? Let's use we'll use a lighter green, and I hope that it shows up. I'm just afraid it won't show up, but we're going to try it. Oh, that's kind of fun green. That shows up really good, actually. Okay. Now, in between all these little ones, we are going to have 16 different little parts. And it's really hard for me to write the numbers in there, so we're just going to have to count them. But in between all these little lines is where the 16ths are going to be. If you go all the way across, there's 16 marks. Okay? So this is if you broke your ruler into 2 parts, into 4 parts, into 8 parts, and now into 16 parts. And notice how they all reuse the same lines. 1/16, 2/16 uses that same line right there. That's a little longer. 3/16, 4/16 is the same as 1/4. Do you see that? If I move it this way, it's the same as 1/4. Okay? 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16 is the same as our 1/2 mark. It has lots of names, but it's the same mark. Okay? You kind of see how that kind of works? I hope this made it a little bit easier for you to see how we break that little inch up, because that little inch is so tiny. Let me show you. It's so tiny. That right here, if we do from here to here, that also is just 1 inch. And there's those little marks telling you where everything is at. So I hope that this has helped you kind of see it all and kind of see how it's broken up. Okay? Alright, next time we're going to come back and we're going to measure stuff, and it's going to be fun. Yay! Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? We are Salmon and Cod Playtime, and we'll see you later. Bye.